How to run Python code in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can run your Python script or Python code in Visual Studio's code on Windows 11. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is make sure that if your system contains Python or not. So how you will check this? So there are a variety of methods to check this, but the most easiest and the most effective method to check whether you have an active Python installation or not is to use the CMD or the command prompt of Windows 11. So in order to check for the Python installation, simply scroll your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and onto the search bar type for CMD, and under the best match you might get this option of command prompt, which is a system application. So simply double click onto the command prompt and it will open the command prompt window for you. Now onto this terminal line, you need to simply type in Python and then hit the enter button. So as here you can see that it has opened the Python interface for me as represented by these three dots. So for example, if I type a random Python line, let's say, and then if I hit the enter button, you can see that it is working perfectly fine. So this means that Python is successfully installed into my computer, and you can also check out the version which is listed here, that is the Python 3.13.3. So if this does not happens with you, or if you are automatically redirected to the Microsoft Store to download Python, or it returns a Python not found command, then that means you will need to download Python into your system first. So after you have downloaded the Python, the next thing we will be doing is creating a program into the Python, and then we will be running it. So let us open our Visual Studio's code, and then we will try to create and run a Python file. So as you can see that I am in my Visual Studio's code, and I have not coded anything in Python right now, as I will be demonstrating it to you straight away. So the first thing that we will be needing is the Python extension. So to install the Python extension, simply click onto these extensions tab right here on the left hand side, or you may also choose to press the Control Shift and X key combinations. So once you are inside the extensions tab, simply search for Python, and once you will do that, just wait for the extensions to load. And here you can see this Python extension which is already installed into my system. So this is not the case with you, then you will need to download this Python extension by Microsoft. And once you have downloaded this extension, we are fully ready to commit our first Python code. So to do that, simply click onto this file option, and then from here choose a new file option. So here it is giving me some options. So since I want a Python file, I need to click onto this Python file option, and now we are in our Python file, and we can start coding right away from this particular page. So let me add a sample code for Python, and then we will attempt to run that. So as here you can see that this is a sample program for conditions in Python. So once you are done coding up your program, the next thing we will be doing is running this program. So in order to run, you can either click this run code button, or alternatively you can also choose to press the Control Alt and N key combinations. So once you will click here, you can see that the terminal has successfully opened. In the output and in the output you can see that the student's score is 85 and the grade is B. So that means that our code has been successfully run, and here is the time it takes to run and exit the code, which was 0.124 seconds. So that's how easily you can create and run a simple Python file in Visual Studio Code on the Windows 11. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.